Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this. This looks so yummy and delicious. Today I am going to show you how to make fish and chips at home. Extremely delicious, full of African, Italian flavors inside. So join me and let me take you through the whole stuff. I'm super excited to share this recipe with you all. Let's get started. Our fish over here. So I am going to use 4 fillets for our fish and chips. So if you have a white cloth at home, you can as well use that. It saves more of the hand paper. Still gonna turn this. Going to use some African spices. So over here I have country onion. I almost forgot my spice. I have country onion over here, and then I have the Najasa spice, which is an oily seed. This is what I'm having here. This deepens our fish and gives it a very deep flavor. So let me show you guys. This is our over there, and I'm gonna add some white pepper. So this is how the spices are looking. Look at this. This is the oily seed, the Najasa, and the country onion, and the white pepper. It looks amazing. I'm gonna transfer this here so you guys can see. So now this is our spices. Now I'm gonna mix here our ginger, garlic that I blended over here. Some ginger and garlic. Gonna mix this inside here in our nice bowl. Then we're gonna add in a little bit of oil. This is 80 ml of oil. Then we're gonna mix this up. Now this is a game changer. All our natural spices are all here. It looks yummy. Now we in it with our salt. We're gonna put in the salt all over our fish. Make sure you do not put a lot of salt, otherwise your fish gonna be salty. So we're gonna turn this around nicely. Add in again some salt over here.
Mommy?
Yes. So we just go in like this. Mix this all up. So the reason why I went in directly with the salt before, so that it can just deepen our flavor and it goes inside. And then I'm just gonna massage this up to the fish. Nice in between and gentle. So be gentle so we don't break the fish. Then we're gonna turn this around. Flip this. Flip this. Flip this. Then we're gonna go in nicely. Nice. Season, it looks yummy, it looks delicious, and it also smells so amazing. So what I did here, I went in with some garlic, ginger, blended with a little bit of oil for moisture. I love putting in some oil for moisture for my fish so that the seasoning does not just dry up onto the skin. And then I went in with the salt directly onto the fish. So guys, this looks so yummy and it looks so delicious. So now we are going into the next step. I'm gonna let this rest for about 20 minutes and then we'll get into it. Because 1 full cup of all-purposes flour, of what is this, cornstarch? And I make it 2 spoons of cornstarch. One spoon of baking powder. So I'll recap: 2 spoons of cornstarch, 1 spoon of baking powder, salt into our flour, just a little bit, not too much. Gonna mix this in. Dry rosemary herb, 1 spoon. our flour, and then I'm going in with our oily seed, the Najasa, and the country onion, the white pepper. So we're gonna put this inside here. Mix this nicely. All the seasoning. We're gonna dip it inside here, our flour. So I'm going in nicely, like that. I'm gonna turn it, making sure the whole flour goes nicely there, like this. Nice. Just look at this. Nice. And I'm gonna put it back over here. Put it like this. Yes. So now I'm gonna put this as rest for about 10 minutes. I'm just gonna go in again like this, just a little bit with the flour. Now this is where the fish and chips starts. Ready, you all? And I drop it in over there. Yummy. Then we're gonna go in with another one, just like this. Drop it in. Whoa! So I am gonna let that cook. Nice. Let's just break it. It makes more time. Wow! Look at this. Look how this looks. Now flip this. Whoa! Whoa! Look at this, guys. This looks so yummy and so delicious. So I'm gonna put this here. So our plate. This here. Whoa! So now, our other step is we are going to do spicy mayo for our fish and chips. So I'm going to go in with 2 spoons. Okay, just let it like a little bit. I think here I made a mistake. I'm supposed just to put everything together because this bowl is quite small. So I'll just put everything together because this plate was quite small. So I'm just gonna mix this. The spicy mayo is standing up ready. Spicy mayo for our dipping. Look at this. This spicy mayo looks like to the next level. I love our dipping. It looks delicious. So I'm gonna put this aside. Now we're gonna go in just like this. And power. I'm doing arm exercise over here. This is arm exercise. So I'm gonna bring this here. We save some here. Go in with 3 spoons, not too much. Add sugar based on your taste, not too much. Just to give it that little bit of sweetness, and I'm gonna mix this. Beat it. Some arm exercise. Beat it. Okay. Now we're gonna take this and we're gonna transfer all this side here. Now it's your call. You can mix it with a spoon, or you can go in like me with my gloves, because I want all the seasoning, all our mayonnaise to go nicely in. Whoa, look at this coleslaw. This looks yummy. This looks super nice. I love how it looks. So delicious. Yummy. Now this is how you make a delicious coleslaw. How it came out. I have to taste this. This tastes delicious. Now look at this. Wow, look at this. A homemade fish and chips. Delicious, flavorful. Just look at this. And I'm proud of myself. I am proud of myself, guys. This looks so delicious and yummy.